Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by CenterFX, your reliable partner in trading.
On Tuesday, Meta gained 3.2%, closing at $500, as investors responded positively to its AI-driven growth strategy and strong ad revenue outlook. The UK stock market index traded above 8,300 British pounds on Wednesday, marking its highest level since early April and outperforming its European counterparts, with the mining sector leading the charge. Natural gas futures in the US traded at around $3, the lowest since late January, as record production and forecasts for milder weather reduced expectations for demand. The Australian dollar climbed to around 64 cents on Wednesday, rebounding from the previous session's losses as signs of easing US-China trade tensions lifted market sentiment. Bitcoin rose to around $93,000 on Wednesday with a recent surge of 7%, as strong macroeconomic signals, including inflation concerns and central bank policies, fueled investor demand for crypto. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 7:30 a.m., Germany to release the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers' Index for April, following 48.3 in March. At 8:30 a.m., the Services Purchasing Managers' Index in the UK is expected to decrease, after reaching 52.5 in March. At 2 p.m., the US will release figures for the new home sales of March, following 1.8% in February. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 8 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for April, following 86.7 in March. At 12:30 p.m., the durable goods orders in the U.S. are expected to increase, after reaching 0.9% in February. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the existing home sales of March, following 4.2% in February.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CenterFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.